Welcome to TechPacks Research and Innovation Services. We are the best thesis assistance providers for MTech and PhD research work. We cover multiple domains as wireless, electronic domain, IoT, machine learning, deep learning, artificial intelligence, data mining, and many other. So in the same chain, today I am going to represent you one of the topics, which is basically the communication in the wireless systems, that is VANETs, vehicular ad hoc networks. So means the communication between the vehicles, right? So might be, have you ever read it from the internet? What are VANETs? So VANETs are basically vehicular ad hoc network, as I already told, are created by applying the principle of mobile ad hoc networks. So basically vehicles are communicating each other as they are mobile, so they are subcategory of the mobile ad hoc networks, right? In the ad hoc networks, the routing is done on number of the factors. As vehicles are moving, their route is to select that which node is suspicious, and even many other factors are there. So selecting a best route for transmitting the data from one location to another, it is very crucial part. So number of algorithms have been designed. Even we have also done it with number of the algorithms as fuzzy logics. Even we have used it with the algorithm designing for the best node selection, multi constraint node selection, and many others. Here nodes are basically the vehicle, but today what I am going to demonstrate is by using this swarm intelligence. So what is swarm intelligence? Swarm intelligence is basically, might be, have you ever listened about the genetic algorithm? Genetic algorithm is not a swarm intelligence, but somebody, if you want, if anyone want to understand the concept of swarm intelligence algorithms, or we can also say it as optimization algorithm. So GA is the basic example. So GA is basically a soft computing technique, but PSO, particle swarm optimization, ACO, these are swarm intelligence algorithms, okay, right? So in the same chain, FA, Firefly optimization algorithm, is one of the latest and trending algorithm which is giving very efficient results for any of the problems. Mostly the problems those are covered under these are called NP hard problems, right? So we have used the application of Firefly optimization algorithm here for the routing of VANETs from one location to another. So at end we have calculated the parameters and done the comparison for different scenarios, right? So let's have a look how it works. When I'm going to run, initially the network parameters are defined. You can see on the screen area, total number of nodes, packet, velocity, and many other factors. Later the initial locations of the nodes are initiated, factors are being calculated, network is to be drawn, right? After the network is we have also include the trust factor, that is the security concern, right? So few of the factors has been considered for the fitness function in the Firefly. So Firefly algorithm will give you the evaluated values and will tell you which node, which path will be the best path for transmitting data from one location to another, right, between the vehicle ad hoc networks. So when I'm going to run this, you can see the network is initiated in front of you. The pink color is S and D, that is source and the destination, and here the iterations are being processed for the Firefly. It is very fast algorithm, and processing is very fast, where the complexity, the time complexity is being covered by this. So you can see a route is selected from source to the destination by covering number of nodes. Those can transmit the signal from one vehicle to the main station or to the another vehicle, right? So the another factors, that PDR, packet delivery ratio, delay, NRL, HOP has been calculated, so that a comparative analysis can be done with the recent paper which we have followed for this. So we have also done the comparison for this. I am running the code. You can see an analysis for different scenarios. It will take some time because the case study is for number of values, so it will take some time, and give you the results by comparing the proposed algorithm with one of the previous algorithm, that is AMGRP. You can also search it out online, that AMGRP model for the VANETs. The paper will be given, that is 2019 year paper. So Science Direct paper is there. So we have implemented that, which is for the 2020 topics. So at end we have done for the end delay PDR comparison. So let's have a look what exactly the results we got. as you can see, it is processing. In the meantime, let me show you our website, that is www.techfacts.com. You can get recent ideas. See, these are the comparison with NRL, that is normalized routing, even individual comparison for the NRL delay and packet delivery ratio has been done for this. Hope you guys like this video, and such there are numerous topics with possible in these topics, so feel free to contact us. Have a nice day. Thanks for watching the video.